Hello viewers, welcome to RINIKE show. I am Akosia Misasewa. You are watching me live on YouTube channel Ashtown TV and our Facebook page GH Ashtown TV. Today we are going to discuss about 8 things that shows she is in for your money. Man, she is in for your money. You were bugging me. When are you going to tell us when she's in for your money? Today we are going to discuss it. Number 1, poor communication. She doesn't call you. She doesn't call to check up on you. How you are doing is none of her business. The only moment she calls you, she's going to talk about money. I need money to do this. I need money to do that. Please, can you get me some money? Please, can you get me this thing? That is the only thing she talks about when she calls or when you are communicating. Anything about you, she doesn't care. She doesn't check up on you. You should know that she is in for your money. Number 2, she doesn't call you her boyfriend. When you are in public places, all she does is tell her friends, oh, meet Mr. Menu or meet my friend, so and so. She doesn't state the relationship between you two. Then you should know she's in for your money. Number 3, she spends without thinking about it. Any lady who wants to build her future with you will always think when she's spending money or when you are spending on her. She will ask you, is it necessary? Why don't you save some? But this is a lady who doesn't care whether you save or not, whether your business is booming or not. All that she cares is spending. Take me to shopping, take me to this restaurant, do this for me. I want to braid my hair, I want to do this, I want to get that. Buy me Brazilian wig, Moravian wig. It's all about her. Get me this, get me that. She spends without thinking whether you are saving or not, or whether you are getting enough to replace what she is spending. She doesn't care. It's all about spending, spending, spending. If your lady is of that type, know she's in for your money. She doesn't love you. Number 4, everything is all about herself. I need this. I want this. How do I look? Like everything. She doesn't care whether you are okay or not, whether you have eaten or not, whether you slept well or not. Everything she wants you to do for her. My family needs this. Get it for them. My brother needs this. My mother says this. Like, she doesn't care what goes on in your side, but everything that about her, she wants you to do for her. Everything is about herself. Number 5, have ambition to be rich. This is a lady who always talk about how good it will be if she gets rich. Even if you tell her that, oh, somebody brought this proposal, but I don't think it's good. Hey, why didn't you accept it if it's going to bring us money? Everything is about money, 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 money. How she can be rich like so and so. How can, if only you are rich like this person, oh, how good it will be. I could have buy this type of car. I want to buy the Rolls Royce. I want to do this. If only you have enough money. Like all that she dreams about is becoming rich. So mind you that if someone richer than you comes, she would leave you and go. So if your lady has this habit, know that she's in for your money. Number 6, she doesn't spend time with you. Anytime she's coming to you, know that she wants you to take her out, or she wants you to take her shopping, or she wants you to do something for her. That's why she's coming. But spending time with you, for who you are, spending time to know your problems, your troubles, what makes you happy, what makes you sad, she doesn't care. But if she's coming to you, it's for you to take her to places that she dreams of. Not that she's coming to you because she wants to be with you. No. But she's coming to you because she wants you to take her to places she wants to be. Then you should know that she's in for your money. Number 7, every conversation leads to money. Anytime that you are talking, maybe about things that is going to bring joy into, she said, if only we have money, if only we have money, we could have done this, if only we have money. It's all about money, money, money. She won't open her mouth without it leading to money. If you have a lady with that habit, know she's in for your money. Number 8, she makes excuses to avoid sex or being physical with you. She doesn't want you to touch her. She doesn't want you to be near her. Like those close things that real couples do. She doesn't want it. But she loves to spend your money. Know that she's in for your money, not for you. These are the 8 things that shows that ladies are in a relationship for money. So men, beware. I am Akosua Misasewa. I'm live on Ashtown TV, YouTube channel, and Facebook channel, Ashtown TV. Please subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you. Good night.